play. We'll be on a team and have a race. We'll have so much fun. Let's grab the rope and tug as hard as you can. Let's grab the rope and tug hard as you can. We'll go out to the field today. We're going to run and play. We'll be on a team and have a race. We'll have so much fun. Put on the sack and jump as fast as you can. Put on the sack and jump as fast as you can. We'll go out to the field today. We're going to run and play. We'll be on a team and have a race. We'll have so much fun. Pick up the beanbag, toss as close as you can. Pick up a beanbag, toss as close as you can. We'll go out to the field today. We're going to run and play. We'll be on a team and have a race. We'll have so much fun. Take up the time and run as fast as you can. Take up the time and run as fast as you can. We went out to the field today. We went out to run and play. We were on a team and had a race. We had so much fun.